Display settings can be used to change the appearance of a section view, such as displaying the shot point value instead of the CMP value. The Headers tab is an alternative approach to displaying information such as shot point. By turning on the headers graph, you can plot any trace header attribute in the allocated space above the section. Simply add a header row and select the header value to display. In this example, the shot points appear as a line increasing with distance above the seismic traces. The display parameters can be changed to make the line more visible. Selecting the Axis Display option will post the values alongside the CMP annotation at the top of the traces, and using the long header name will make the abbreviated seg-y labeling more human readable. You can add as many rows as you like, and assign different headers to each row, such as the water depth header here. The header graph can be zoomed for clearer display in the same way that the traces can. The trace header values can also be plotted in the main trace panel if this is preferred. Additional geophysical attributes such as magnetic and gravity information are often available, such as these horizons seen in the map view. These attributes can be added to sections not only as horizons, but also through the trace headers. Create a new header mask process to transfer the horizon values into the trace headers. Select the current seismic volume. Select the magnetic and gravity attribute horizons. Select a suitable and empty trace header from the preset list. Here I will select bytes 219 and 225, which I know are 32-bit integer values and not used for this volume. The attributes can be scaled and shifted using simple formula to emphasize and position them close to a feature of interest, such as the basement. In the section view, select the process volume, which contains the attributes in the headers. In display settings, add header rows for the newly added bytes 219 and 225. The values can be displayed in the header graph and also in the section trace panel as required. The attributes can now be used as a guide when picking basement events. If you have questions or would like to discover more, then visit our website at www.doug.com. And remember, have fun with Insight!